Y'all, I could not help myself. I had to go ahead and go lighter. No roots. Yes, ma'am. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at the OKae Kaela. So I finally touched up my roots. I decided to go ahead and get my roots done, and I went in and added a little bit more color. So if you guys can tell, my whole head is colored now, so no more dark roots. Still got chocolate on the bottom. But I came back with the details to tell you guys exactly what I had done to my hair. So I know a lot of you guys were asking, you know, what color was on my hair previously. I mean, it's pretty much like the same color a little bit, just a little bit lighter. And I did not use, or my stylist did not use any bleach when she colored my hair the first time. So what she used is just a higher developer, so no bleach, and she went in with like a golden brown tone color. The top part processed a lot faster, and plus I had color on that prior to her dyeing that, so I had like, you know, subtle brown highlights. If you guys saw my graduation video, they were like really faint, you couldn't really see them as much, but because of that, that's why the top layer was able to be more brighter than the bottom layer. So just to show you guys up close what I mean, on the bottom it is still very much chocolate. And then I decided to go in and do some highlights and lowlights. So this was just adding more dimension to my hair. I know a lot of you guys were like, what are your curls looking like? Does your hair texture feel the same? Honestly, I can say that I have noticed a little bit more shedding, but I kind of expected that with color in general, so I wasn't like too shocked about that. My curls are pretty much still there. Now, I will be honest, y'all, like I have straightened my hair a little bit more than what I said I was going to do. So I do see a little bit, you know, heat stress pieces in the front. But I mean, my front pieces are always like the part of my hair that just doesn't have the springiest curl anyway. So I mean, I really don't care, because like I told you guys, I'm going to go back to straightening my hair a little bit more often and then kind of taking a break in between. So these front pieces, they still have a wave to it, so I was able to do that twist out. If you guys saw my previous video, loved how my hair turned out, beautiful with color. And I'm still able to do slick back ponytails. So I'll do a video on that pretty soon, just to show you guys up close and personal the process of how my hair looks with it curly while it is colored. But just to show you guys the highlights and lowlights, so she went in with the ash blonde and some chocolate for the lowlights and ash blonde for the highlights. So you guys can see a little bit more of the blonder light streaks on top, which I love so much. I feel like this color really suits my complexion. I'm just overall happy with this new hair look. Like, I'm excited to see what a twist out burnout looks like with this color, especially with like my full roots dyed now. And I know I said I probably was gonna wait until, you know, April or May, but y'all, I feel like it was growing out so much it started to look a little crazy in my opinion. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my whole head and be a little bit more bolder and still get those lighter streaks that I originally wanted. And I did that again, no bleach. So the lighter your hair is, you can gradually get to the lighter stages that you want to get to. So for example, like I said, it was able to process a lot faster on the front or the top layer to get those blonde streaks because it was lighter from the last process. So I highly suggest doing that or going that route to avoid bleach, especially if you still want to have your curls or waves intact. Now, I did use Olaplex number 4, 5, and 3, the shampoo and conditioner and the bonding treatment in between. And my stylist also used this hair product called Wella to deep condition me when I got this process done. Now for this, I had to go in and do like a 3-step process, because when I went, I had a lot of product on my hair, so she had to shampoo that off, blow dry me out, and then touch up the roots, wash that out, blow dry my hair again, and then do the highlight and low light process. So all in total, y'all, I was there at like 10 a.m. and I didn't leave until 3 o'clock. So it was well worth it because she did an absolute phenomenal job. And as always, I'm going to link her in the description box down below for you guys to check her out. And I just absolutely love that she's very personable with her process, and she really caters to natural hair and just making sure that you don't, you know, go the damaged route if you know, want to get lighter, so, or have your hair lighter. So I love it, you guys. More pictures are to come, more hair videos are to come. So just to show you guys a side view, the back view. Now, I did have my hair curled when I left the salon, but it's been like 3 days now, so they're dropping. I will make a more in-depth video of how I curl my hair and do my pin curls, because I know you guys have been asking about that. So I'm gonna make that very soon, so stay tuned for that. But yes, y'all, like, I'm living for the color. I am. I feel my age now. I'm 23. I'm about to start work this month now. You know, everything is just aligning and coming along, and I was just so excited to share this with you guys, because I know a lot of y'all were asking me what is the exact color. She still didn't tell me, like, you know, the exact, well, I didn't really ask like the exact brand, but I know that it's a golden brown. And I did ash, she did ash blonde highlights, and, you know, darker color for the lowlights, so that chocolate that's in there. But I'm obsessed. I love it. So like I said, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, because more videos is to come. I'm going to try a braid out next, and I think that's going to be really hot with this color, especially with no dark roots. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram at the OKae Kaela, and hit that subscribe button, y'all, because the videos are about to be flowing in, okay? And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.